Sapodilla or sapota is another popular tropical fruit in line with mango, banana, jackfruit, etc. Sapota composes of soft, easily digestible pulp made of simple sugars like fructose and sucrose. Sapota is a tropical evergreen, fruit-bearing tree belongs to the family of Sapotaceae, in the genus, Manilcara. The fruit, popular as naseberry, is one of the most relished tropical delicacy in the Caribbean islands. Scientific name, Manilcara zapota. Sapote thought to have originated in the Central American rainforests, probably in Mexico and Belize. Today, its cultivation has spread all over the tropical belt and grown as a major commercial crop in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The tree is one of fast-growing, wind and drought-resistant, and it flourishes well even under dry arid regions receiving scanty rains. However, water irrigation during summer would result in good fruit yields. Botanically, each sapodilla fruit is a berry, round or oval, measures about 10 centimeters in diameter and weigh about 150 grams. A tree bears as many as 2,000 fruits per year. Sapota fruit has gray, brown, sandy, kiwifruit-like outer surface but without the fuzziness. Unripe fruits possess white, hard, inedible pulp that secretes sticky latex containing toxic substance saponin. This milky latex gradually disappears, and its white flesh turns brown as the fruit ripe. Once ripened, it becomes soft, acquires a sweet taste and smooth or grainy texture with slight musky flavor. It contains about 3 to 10 black, smooth, shiny biconvex, bean-shaped, inedible seeds, located at its center. Health benefits of sapodilla. Sapodilla is one of the high-calorie fruits. 100 grams provides 83 calories, almost same as that of calories in sweet potato and banana. Additionally, it is an excellent source of dietary fiber, 5.6 grams, 100 grams, which makes it a good bulk laxative. This fiber content helps relieve constipation episodes and help protect mucosa of the colon from cancer-causing toxins. The fruit is rich in antioxidant polyphenolic compound tannin. Tannins are a composite family of naturally occurring polyphenols. Research studies suggest that tannins possess astringent properties, and shown to have potential anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-parasitic effects. Hence, these compounds may found useful applications in traditional medicines as antidiarrheal, hemostatic, stops bleeding, and as a remedy for hemorrhoids. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory effect of tannins helps limit conditions like erosive gastritis, reflux esophagitis, enteritis, and irritating bowel disorders. Some other fruits that also rich in tannins include pomegranate, persimmon, and grapes. Sapote contains a good amount of antioxidant vitamins like vitamin C, 24.5% of recommended daily intake per 100 grams of fruit, and vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for vision. It also required for maintaining healthy mucosa and skin. Consumption of natural fruits rich in vitamin A has been known to offer protection from lung and oral cavity cancers. So also, consumption of foods containing vitamin C helps the body develop resistance to combat infectious agents and helps scavenge harmful free radicals from the human body. Fresh ripe sapodilla is a good source of minerals like potassium, copper, iron and vitamins like folate, niacin and pantothenic acid. These compounds are essential for optimal health as they involve in various metabolic processes in the body as cofactors for the enzymes.